Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the solar motion sensor light with 12 LEDs, 210 degrees area, 5 lightning modes. It is for outdoor use and it's waterproof, and the power comes from the solar. The sun is giving us the power to make some delicious light. Wireless security light, energy class A++, and plus. Wow, that looks awesome, really awesome. It comes with a super bright designs with 12 powerful LEDs and acrylic lamps that help to illuminate a very wide area. Meanwhile, it is much brighter than other solar power sensor lights in the market. We will try and check this later. 210 degrees detected range, 5.5 meters sensor distance. This is not nice. It's a solar security lights provide a wide range of motion detector designed with two advanced sensor balls, which is more sensitive even in the winter or other bad weather. The device comes with 5 lightning modes. The LED provides white light or color changing light mode by pressing the outer on button. 3 motion sensor modes by pushing the outer, and 2 always on modes by the on button, of course. Also, you can choose the perfect mode or lighting according to your device needs. Long time walking with 18% higher efficiency solar panels and built-in 2000 milliampere hours rechargeable battery. It will light up all night after full charge, 6 until 8 hours in daytime. That here's nice. Assembling is easy. Always drill 2 holes into a wall. After this, you have to get the solar panel in position. The LED lamp is now installed, and tighten them by using 2 screws. Easy going. And now let's do a checkup. Now let's feel free, and you have to push. First, you have to switch on the back side of the device to on, of course. Then install the device, and after this, you can choose the settings by using the on button on the right side, or on the left side, the automatic button. The automatic button will get some different types of quests for this thing, for this lamp, and the right side is the on button. This will make some optional device settings in on, like brightness up, brightness down, but and always on. And I think that is another as is this feature for the motion sensor will be on or off. These all settings are available by pushing the on button. So that it is, it looks like a really bright lamp, and it's nice to see the different colors. I will give a sub up for easy installation and for solar energy using. Nice lamp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.